Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So for today, I decided to do something to my nails. You all can tell it's horrible, like horrible. This is like going to 2 months now. I mean, we've been locked down for a while, so I said I'm going to just do self-quarantine thoughts kind of nails by myself. I have never done this as in taking out my acrylic before by myself, no. And during my painting my nails, yes, I've done that. Fixing some fake nails, like the pure white one that you put nail polish on, yes, I've done that in the past, but not on the camera. This is my first time. So without wasting much of your time, guys, please leave me comment in the comment section down below. Let me know your thought about this video, because I'm going to jump right into it and I don't want it to be too long. I don't want to waste you guys this time. So this is the bowl I decided I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to need this nail polish remover, and this is actually also for acrylic. They said artificial nails, gel nails, nail polish, glitter polish, and more. So I bought this on I bought this at Walmart, but I'll put link on the description box if you don't want to go out and you still want to get this done. I'll put links down below for you guys to purchase that. And these are some of the files that some of my product came with. Some product I have from Amazon in a while. Yeah, I'm going to be needing this, and of course this is what we're going to use to clip the nails, because my natural nail are as long as my artificial nails, if you all can see it. So I'm going to trim the artificial nail, then go ahead with this procedure. And of course in this video also I'm going to be fixing my nails so that you can do the same at home. If your nails are terrible and really bad like this, you don't have to wait till we're like ready to go, like they open, because I don't want to go to the salon as soon as they said, oh, you guys are free to go out. No, I'm still going to wait for like a month before I go into the salon. So this is why I'm bringing this to you guys today, that you can do this by yourself at the comfort of your home. So let's jump right into it. So I'll just go ahead and trim, so it'll be a lot more easier for me to take it out. You all can tell I'm in my pajama. I mean, that's how I roll most of the time. I just change my top, then, because when you finish filming, you're not going anywhere basically. I mean, like right at this moment. So that's what I will do. I'm just going to go ahead and trim my old nails and come back to you guys to continue the next procedure, right? So nails are trimmed now, and I already poured the nail polish remover professional. I soaked my fingernails in here for 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm about to bring it out. Gently push it so you don't hurt yourself. Go to the other side, gently push. See, it's like coming out. That is it. See, this came out like easy and I didn't hurt myself. So that's what I'm basically going to do. You gently lift, see, it's lifting, it lifted on that side. You come to this side and see if that side is able to. If not, you go and soak it back. But I was able to, see, it's coming out. It doesn't hurt. I mean, we are human, you can feel a little bit pain. That one came out too, you see. Yeah, so guys, I have to be honest with you, okay? Some of it hurts really bad. I'm not gonna lie, but I took everything out. So I even hurt myself here, if you can see the red thing. But well, beauty hurts sometimes. You get that pain anyway. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to go ahead and trim my nails, okay, and just trim them a little bit and file, then wash my hands and come back to the camera so that I can show you guys the next step of what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna, like I said, trim, file, wash, and put some lotion on, then I'll be right back. All right,
lost their license because they treated someone badly. Nurses in Nigeria are the only one that gets slapped. You get slapped a lot.
So I've washed my hands and this is how my fingernails are looking. I already trimmed them. because I'm gonna go ahead and begin to. So this is the nail that I'll be using today. Okay, I bought this from Walmart, or I'll look for the link and put in the description box in case if you don't want to go to the store. I've had it at home, but I've been scared to try this because I've never done it before. But I pick up the courage that I'm just gonna go for it. Thank God so far. I'm loving the, first time taking out my acrylic by myself and trim, yeah, let's jump right into this. So we have comes with nail files and glue, like I said. So this is how there are 24 inside of it. So of course I'm going to pick the one that is my size, select them aside, then we're going to start this whole thing. I'm so excited that I can even do this at home. I already selected the ones that will fit my nails. What I will say is, if you happen to have a very big fingernails, this probably will not work for you. But if you're just within the kind of medium or not too big, I don't know how to explain that part, but this is how they are looking, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying it. So this is the glue that came with the products, with the nails. So according to the instruction, this is the stick on. You just go ahead and apply the glue on this part right here. I'm not going to bore you guys out with all this. You already know what it's supposed to just stick on. So I'm just going to stick it on, then you press it for some few seconds like that. There it stays. Just make sure you press it really hard. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I will let you guys know in my next video. Even if it's not nail related, I will just put it somewhere to let you know how it is holding up. Okay, see? So I'll go ahead and apply the rest. Let me do one more on the screen like this. So here is the concluding part. Guys, look at that. Look at that. The locks, you get your locks and nail at home without going to the nail salon. I mean, it might not be perfect, but it's way better than what I had on for like going to 2 months now, and it was looking so horrible. Like every time I'm shooting, I feel like, oh my god, this is terrible. Yes, not that I can't wear my natural nails, but my natural nails grow really fast, very very fast. They grow very faster than my hair. Very funny, but that's why I don't bother. But anytime I kind of dip them inside water, like doing dishes and all that, they start breaking apart. So that's why I chose to start using acrylic. Then I use it to grow my nails. I trim it when I go to the salon, blah blah blah, anyway. I just like to have something on my nails, while my natural nail is growing under it, so I don't have to worry about trimming, about filing every time it's breaking apart when it's in its natural stage. So this is it. I enjoy watching it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.